reckless pain lies bruised in my heart. It rises in a few sudden, startling spurts. Unfeelingly, it pierces like a dart. Oh, pull it slowly. It hurts. It hurts. Your unkind words inadvertently said flow gurgling in my bloodstreams, and they look so patient at what crooked paths they tread. In veins and blinded turn at every nook. Pray, listen to what I've got to say. We hand in hand did come, and hand in hand, I pray to God, shall go. I always pray, and so unfettered hand in hand we stand. And if you want to leave me, you can go, with ease and just a formal parting.